Okay, so here we are, part two of this fixing the microwave latch, where it wouldn't open. So it's been a couple days. You can see this is clearly broken. I got the new part off of Amazon, and what we've got to do now is, you see here, right in here, there's a little hole here, and there's a little hole on this other side. Okay, that's for these two prongs right here and right here are going to go into. It'll actually sit just like this, and then when you push the button here, it actuates this, and this comes up right there, and that'll open the microwave. So since I'm one-handed here, give me a minute and we'll come back and show you the progress. All right, well, there you go. You can see this was the little piece right here that was busted, and now we take and press that open and the door comes open. See here? So that's all there was to it. Took me about 10 minutes, and that's how we got her done. So we'll just put the cover back on and away she goes. 14 bucks and half an hour's worth of my time. Alrighty, another one fixed. Okay, there you have it. We got the cover back on, and press the button and the microwave now opens like it should. So there you go.